This is how you're going to overlay images on Elementor. This method adapts the concept of placing content over a background image by using one image as a section background and a second image positioned on top of it. So step 1 is you're going to set the base image. So before that, we're just going to make sure that we are in our my.elementor.com, and then we're just going to choose a website that is usually right here. Now, once you have chosen the website that you want to edit, you're going to set the base image, which is your background image, which is the base image. Now, you're going to set the container's height, for example, to minimum height so that the base image is fully visible. Now, step 2 is you're going to add the overlay image. You're going to drag an image widget inside that same container or section, and then you're going to upload your second image, which is the overlay, into the widget. Now, step 3, you're going to position the overlay image. Select the image widget and then go to the advanced tab. Under positioning, change the position setting from default to absolute. Now after that, just use the offset controls like horizontal and vertical to precisely place the second image on top of the background image. You can also drag the image manually on the canvas. And that's it. That is how you can overlay images on Elementor. If this video helped you, please